Welcome back, stargazers. In our last journey through the universe, we delved into the wonders of Messier objects 23 through 33, exploring everything from the sparkling star fields of M24 to the grand spiral structure of the Triangulum Galaxy. If you missed that episode, be sure to check it out and join us as we continue our cosmic adventure. Today, we're picking up right where we left off. From open clusters that shine with youthful stars to nebulae glowing with the light of newborn suns, we're diving into Messier objects 34 through 44. Get ready to uncover more secrets of our amazing universe. But before we begin, if you are new here, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Our first stop is Messier 34, an open cluster in the constellation Perseus, about 1,500 light-years from Earth. Discovered by Charles Messier in 1764, this cluster contains around 100 stars, spanning about 15 light-years. Visible with binoculars, Messier 34 offers a delightful view, with stars loosely scattered across the sky. Next, we move on to Messier 35, an open cluster in the constellation Gemini, roughly 2,800 light-years away. M35 is a rich cluster containing several hundred stars, about 100 million years old. Close to the cluster NGC 2158, it makes for an interesting observation through a telescope. Continuing our journey, we find Messier 36, an open cluster located in the constellation Auriga, approximately 4,100 light-years from Earth. Discovered by Giovanni Battista Hodierna in the mid-17th century and later added to Messier's Catalog, M36 contains about 60 stars and resembles a miniature version of the Pleiades cluster. Our next destination is Messier 37, the richest open cluster in the constellation Auriga. Located around 4,500 light-years away, M37 contains about 500 stars and is approximately 300 million years old. Its densely packed stars make it a spectacular sight through a telescope. Shifting our gaze, we encounter Messier 38, another open cluster in Auriga, about 4,200 light-years away. Discovered by Giovanni Battista Hodierna, M38 features around 100 stars arranged in a distinctive X shape, making it a unique object to observe. Next, we visit Messier 39, an open cluster in the constellation Cygnus, about 800 light-years from Earth. M39 is a large, loose cluster with about 30 stars spread over a wide area of the sky. Its proximity and bright stars make it easily visible with binoculars. Continuing our exploration, we come upon Messier 40, a double star in the constellation Ursa Major. M40, also known as Winnock 4, was included in Messier's Catalog despite not being a cluster or nebula. Located about 510 light-years away, it consists of two stars that can be resolved with a small telescope. Next, we arrive at Messier 41, an open cluster in the constellation Canis Major, roughly 2,300 light-years from Earth. Discovered by Giovanni Battista Hodierna before 1654 and catalogued by Messier in 1765. M41 contains about 100 stars, including several red giants, and spans around 25 light-years. Our journey now takes us to Messier 42, the famous Orion Nebula. Located about 1,344 light-years away, M42 is a bright emission nebula visible to the naked eye in the constellation Orion. This stellar nursery is a region of intense star formation, providing a spectacular view through telescopes of all sizes. Adjacent to the Orion Nebula, we find Messier 43, a part of the same nebula complex, separated by a dark dust lane. Located about 1,344 light-years away, M43 is another star-forming region that contains a young, massive star illuminating the surrounding gas. Our final stop in this episode is Messier 44, the Beehive Cluster, located in the constellation Cancer. About 610 light-years away, this open cluster is one of the closest and most prominent star clusters in the night sky, also known as Perseus. or the manger. M44 contains a mix of around 1,000 stars and can be seen with the naked eye under dark skies. As we wrap up the 4th episode of Messier Objects, how many of the 11 discussed in this video did you recognize? Let us know in the comments below. Join us in further episodes as we continue to unravel the secrets of the cosmos, one Messier object at a time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more fascinating content, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Until next time, keep looking up and exploring the cosmos.